Never seen it like it.
Neither. Those two are about to crash.
I'm telling you, it's like a kite air show. Watch when it posts to Facebook, it's going to go viral.
Are you videoing or just camera?
I'm videoing. It's pretty cool talent, really. That's awesome. I've been alive for 50 years. I've never seen anything like this.
I got 3 on you, buddy, and I haven't seen it either. You've probably seen a lot of it.
Look at that. That's so awesome. I mean, for kites, how precise are they? I want to see them do the swirly follow each other thing again. Or the one where they had 3 rows.
Mm-hmm.
That was cool too. It looks like some of them might not have enough as much experience as the other ones.
Right, like the one.
The little camo one having a little problem there. Look at that. Wow, they're rotating around each other. That's awesome. There we go.
I don't know which one to look.
There they go. Check that out. That's really cool. How many people are flying these kites down there?